What's that smell? Yuck. An interjection, an exclamation. Yeah, meaning something's unpleasant, you really can't stand it. Or yucky as an adjective, meaning something that's disgusting, it's unpleasant, it's thoroughly unappetizing, it's repugnant. I think we particularly use yucky about how things taste or how things smell, but you can use it about other things. So I don't want any more of that yucky school food. Um, Hospital food has a reputation for being rather yucky, rather unappetizing. Okay. Yeah, the kids said that the my cooking was rather yucky. It disgusted them. Yeah, if it tastes yucky, put some sugar in it. The walls were painted this yucky green purple colour. Yeah, it was really rather yucky. It was rather disgusting. It was revolting. Yeah, so I don't know, a yucky smell. Yeah, this is the yuckiest thing I've ever seen. Yeah, so yucky, foul, repulsive, disgusting, distasteful, loathsome, repellent, yeah, offensive, disagreeable, yeah, displeasing, yeah, unpleasant, yeah, and this is the idea of yucky. So if something is yucky, this is quite strong, quite a strong phrase. I think yucky's maybe a little bit childish as well. But notice this is saying that something is highly offensive. Yeah, it causes disgust. Yeah, it's just gross. It's foul. Yeah, it's revolting. Yeah, it's just, oh, the worst. Yeah, so yuck. Yeah, this sandwich tastes disgusting. Yuck, the milk is off. Pah, pah, pah. Yeah, I think you could also use yuck as a noun. I've got some sort of yuck on the bottom of my shoe. Yeah, some sort of um, undefined stuff. I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty disgusting. Yeah, yeah. There's some yuck on the floor over there. Okay, so yuck, something disgusting, horrible, not very nice. Yeah. Okay, I felt rather yucky. I didn't feel very well. Blech. Yeah, I thought I was going to vomit, perhaps. Yeah. There was some rather yucky scenes with violence and blood everywhere, and I'm a bit squeamish. Don't like blood, so I found that rather yucky, rather unpleasant. Okay, so if something's yucky, you just don't like it. Yeah. Um, okay, this is informal English, and as I said, maybe yucky, a bit childish as well. Use it informally. Yeah, there's a yucky smell coming from the toilet. Who made that yucky smell? Yeah. So informal, three informality, 2.5 informality. Yeah. Yeah. There was this yucky food that they served. It was some sort of liquid thing which had a really yucky colour. So very informal. And then as to origin, well, I think maybe it's just onomatopoeia. Yeah, it just as a reaction. But notice this word didn't appear in the English language until the 1960s, so it's actually quite a recent word. Yeah, to me it sounds like onomatopoeia. Notice as well there's a Dutch word, jak, meaning disgusting as well. So, well, I'm not exactly certain where it came from more than that. Okay, so yucky, disgusting, horrible. Yuck. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Yuck and yucky.